ever seen in my entire life. It's right here, next to this. Look, dude, look. You can't get in. You can't get in. Oh my God.
Bad weather report.
Go down the stairs.
Stepping in sewage.
Sorry.
Toronto reels from floods and power cuts after severe storms. Record rainfall from 3 huge storms has flooded parts of Toronto, cut power, and left drivers stranded on the major motorway through the city. Environment Canada reported that almost 100 millimeters, 4 in, of rain fell on Toronto on Tuesday, surpassing the city's daily record set in 1941. Images and videos showed severe flooding across the city, cars nearly submerged, and water cascading down the staircases at Union Station. Several flights were also delayed or canceled out of Billy Bishop Airport on the Toronto Islands in Lake Ontario.
So this is rainwater mixed with sewage, and it's everywhere. What the hell?
The Don Valley Parkway, a major motorway that runs adjacent to the Don River, was blocked in both directions by flooding. Ontario Highway 410 was also closed, with police anticipating that it will not open up for another day as crews clean up. Authorities said they have rescued at least 14 people, including one person who had to be plucked from their car's roof. Toronto's fire service received numerous calls from people trapped in lifts after large areas of city center lost power during working hours. Meteorologists said that Tuesday's record rainfall was due to 3 consecutive storms that fell on the city. The Toronto and Region Conservation Authority warned that areas near shorelines, rivers, and streams in the city are especially prone to flooding. There are more than a dozen rivers and streams in Toronto, making it vulnerable to rising water levels. Toronto's Mayor Olivia Chow said she did not know why the Don Valley Parkway, which is prone to flooding, was not closed earlier in the day. She added the city was massively investing in cleanup efforts to ensure similar flooding does not occur in the future. Toronto suffered from an intense and costly July storm in 2013 that left at least 300,000 people without power and more than 1,000 passengers needing rescue from a flooded train.